Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, we are going to discuss about most 10 important questions for JavaScript practical, computer science class 10. So the first program is write a JavaScript program to add two numbers. So we can write the program this way. The first, these 4 lines are compulsory. You will write in every program: doc type, HTML body, script, language. After it, we'll have two variables like var a, prompt enter number 1, var b, prompt enter number 2, and to show the result we'll write document.write parse int a plus parse int b. Now why I am using here parse int? When we took any input in JavaScript, the data is stored in a string form. With string we can't do calculations. If we write 2 plus 3 in string, then the answer will be 23, but actually it should be 5. So we are converting the string value into integer by using parse int. Some older browser might support, means convert the number automatically, but the newer version of browsers will not do so. Better you write this line parse int. Now as I have already saved the program in desktop, let's run it. So this will be my output. It will ask me to enter the first number. Suppose it is true and the next number is as 3, so we'll get the output as 5. Now we'll come to the next question. Write a JavaScript program to input name, age, address and display them in separate line. So here we will require the 3 variables and 3 document.write statement. Suppose for name I am taking the variable as name only, equal prompt, and inside bracket we will write enter name. And for age, same thing we will do, var age equal prompt, inside bracket we will write enter age. After that, in third line we will again write var address equal prompt enter address. Now we have to show the result. For that we will write document dot write statement. Document dot write inside bracket name. Whatever we are writing inside quotation, this is counted as normal string, and with that we'll add the variable. That variable is name, again plus sign. Now we'll put one HTML command, that is br, to send the cursor to the next line. Now we'll go to again next line. Now we are going to copy the same line, document dot write bracket, and here we'll write age, in here plus age, again plus br, and third line document dot write, then here address plus addr. So our program done. Now save the program. For save the program we can go to file and save. It will replace our old program. Now we'll go to the browser and reload the page. Now I think we didn't save properly, so cancel it. First save the program, Ctrl S or file save. Now we'll go to the browser and reload the file. It asks me enter name. Suppose it's Rohit. Enter age 15, 16 and address Guwahati. So this will be the output. So this way we can solve question number 2. You can see the code once again. This will be the command for question number 2. Now we'll move to the question number 3. Write a JavaScript program to input your name and age and display a customized message. Suppose if the name is Kavita and age is 16, it should look like Kavita is 16 years old. So the question number 2 and 3 are almost same, just we'll do little bit modification. So here we'll need name and age variable. We'll just not required this part, so we'll remove it. Now the document dot statement we are going to modify. It should be name is 16 years old or name is 8 years old. So we'll write first name, which is a variable, plus is, again after quotation plus is plus years old. Now we are going to save the program. After saving the program, we'll reload it. It asking me to enter the name. Suppose Kavita is 16. So you can see Kavita is 16 years old. So this will be the command for question number 3. Now we will move to question number 4. There, write a JavaScript program to calculate the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle will need length and breadth. So we'll take the length and breadth from the user and we'll display the area. For that var, we'll write here var, in place of name we will write L or length, and here in place of age we will write breadth, and here enter length, and here enter breadth. Now the third line will again define one variable, that one is area, equal, this will be L into, which is star symbol, and B. Now we are going to display the result. So document dot write, inside bracket we will write area equal plus area. So our program complete. Now save the program. After saving the program, we'll reload the file in browser. I think it's not saved properly till now. First save the file. After saving the file, go to browser and reload the file. Asking me to enter the length, suppose 4 and breadth is 3. So the area is 12, means 4 into 3, it is 12. Now we'll move to the fifth question. Write a JavaScript program to check if a number is odd or even. For it we'll need just one variable. So we'll remove two variables from here, and also document.write and whatever other statements which are not required. So here I am writing num, and the message is enter a number. Now we are going to use if statement. If num modulus 2 double equal 0. If there is no remainder, that means document.write quotation under even number, or also we can show that that number whatever, suppose 2, the user enter 2 is even number, like that. For that just we'll write what, num plus is an even number. Okay, again after that we'll have else statement, else document dot write, here we'll write num plus is odd number. Now after writing it, we'll save the program. Now we'll go to browser and reload the file. It asking me to enter a number. Suppose it is 6. 6 is an even number. Now suppose I am writing 5. 5 is odd number. So this way we can do odd even program. Next 5 questions I will discuss in another video. Till then stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then take care and bye.